मैंने यशराज को मना किया, मैंने राजीव कुमार ईरानी को मना किया।
Just help us decode these phrases. I am a director's actor.
I do my own shit.
Hi, this is Shreya Saran और आप देख रहे हैं और बताओ स्तुति के साथ।
हाय, मैं हूँ राजीव खंडेलवाल और आप देख रहे हैं और बताओ।
हाय, मैं हूँ महिमा मकवाना और आप देख रहे हैं और बताओ स्तुति के साथ।
हाय, मैं हूँ मोनी रॉय।
हाय, मैं हूँ इमरान हाशमी और आप देख रहे हैं और बताओ आरजे स्तुति के साथ।
So Shreya Saran, Rajiv Khandelwal, Mahima and Moni Roy, Imran Hashmi, welcome to और बताओ।
Thank you.
Thank
और
you.
बताओ।
तो ये जो questions है मेरे आज, ये crowd sourced है. So everybody in office got very excited, and these are their questions that I'm going to put across, and I want all of you to, you know. तो एक सवाल था कि किसी भी शो, फिल्म के लिए, किरदार के लिए बड़ी कई बार transformations करनी पड़ती हैं. What is the one sort of transformation, that physical transformation that you guys never want to do?
Never want to.
ये नहीं करेंगे.
I think for my, I was doing 2 films back to back. One was Murder 2, where I had to go shirtless with the whole 6-pack. And at the same time, I think in the matter of 6-7 months, I was playing Shanghai, where I had to put on probably 10 kilos and look in a certain way, which is not at all like a hero, you know, the quintessential hero's character. The problem was that I did Shanghai first. So that was the easy part.
Yeah.
Eating the cookies and the cakes and the pizza was great fun. I loved getting to that character. But then when I had to shed it and come down to probably, I was at a 10% body fat from I think I had touched almost 20-25%. That was hell.
So
It was
that
hell. I would never do that again. I would never do
It's
that.
crazy.
So I guess that's what happens, that if you have the luxury of time, as actors, you're so hungry to do great parts, you would do everything, whether it's your, you know, hair or you need to put on weight or you lose weight, but you need to have the luxury of time. So that's the only thing.
So drastic physical weight gain, weight loss नहीं होगा. Anyone else?
I'll do it. If I love the script, if I love the character, I would go to any extent to do justice with the character.
That's what I told myself back then.
After I delivered, I
And then
was
I said
like,
never again.
so when I was
Maybe.
pregnant the whole time, the doctors didn't allow me to weigh myself because apparently, so my doctor got to know, I was in Barcelona, that, you know, my husband told my doctor that she's an actress. And so he's like, listen, if she's an actress, there's no way I'm allowing, she's not allowed to weigh herself. Because there was always just so much, they were emotionally like going crazy anyways. And he didn't want me to go crazy about the fact that I was putting on weight. So the whole pregnancy, I thought I was really thin and I thought I was really lean. But after delivering Radha, after a week, Andre ordered a weighing machine and he has a smile plastered on his face. He's like, yeah, now you can, right? And I go, and this is like crazy. This is COVID times, you have no help, you're doing everything on your own, you're going mad. And I go weigh myself and I still remember I was 20 kilos heavier than what I am right now.
Wow.
20 kilos.
So how long did it take you to kind of shed
And
that?
while I was pregnant, I was already listening to some scripts and I knew that I wanted to get back. It took me 7 months, I only lost 15. But like last 5, 6,
Great. That's still great.
but 5, 6 last, I just couldn't lose. I just couldn't. It's only like last 4, 5 months that I could. But that whole stress that I had, because it's a visual medium, right? Now, you have to look like a certain way to be able to like go back or revisit the character, which I had to do in Drishyam, or play another role. That
So
was
we spoke about weight gain, but probably getting rid of hair. Is that something? Are you guys attached to your?
I mean, if you
I had very long hair, I cut them short like.
Chop it off.
Oh, that's not a big deal. अच्छा
Goes
ठीक है.
back.
आप क्या प्रेफर करोगे कि एक बहुत बिग बजट बड़ी फिल्म में आपका छोटा सा रोल हो या एक सॉलिड रोल हो but probably not that big a camp?
दोनों नहीं कर सकते क्या? डेट एडजस्ट कर लेंगे, मैनेजर किस लिए होता है?
बड़ी
फिल्म करेंगे, दोनों के पैसे लेंगे, दोनों की रोल चेक लेंगे.
बड़ी फिल्म में छोटी रोल क्यों, बड़ी फिल्म में बड़ी रोल और अच्छी वाली जो भी.
ये देखो, ये वही बात.
Also, I'd like to say something. I've never really categorized films as big or small based on the budget.
Yeah.
I've always categorized it as my willingness to do it and if the idea is big. Sometimes you could have a 200 crore really small film on an idea, which is the perspective. I think that's also a perspective change.
Yeah.
It should not only be based on the budget of it.
True.
So I think if it's a great character, doesn't really matter what the budget is.
And the
It's still a big
people
film.
you work with.
Yeah.
Yeah.
the people you work with. Sometimes it's just beautiful because if they're nice people, then you know, small things like everyone, you know, you're sitting and having lunch together, or you're waiting for their breakfast and everyone will come and have their little hi hellos, and all those moments
God
also
loves
for me
joy.
matters. Huh?
God loves joy. And
Yeah.
more often you'll see some at a project where you've had more fun would end up doing better than the other
Yeah.
ones where you're like struggling or thinking like, oh my God, this is will today be a good
Was
experience?
this an enjoyable experience for you or a stress?
A nice one.
Enjoyable,
Thanks,
of
Imran.
course.
I had a great time. Only at one day I woke up and my face was all red. It was like I had like a crazy.
Curtsy?
That was
Curtsy?
because
What about
Curtsy?
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 That was because
I don't know. I just got
How do you
bored
know?
because
Because
allergic.
horny.
What is happening?
What was that incident?
Okay, तभी तो बोल रहे हैं भुर्जी
She was
भाई को
allergic
लग
to-
गया।
allergic to the burji that she had.
I ate the same burji.
No, but some
So
people are
then
allergic to it.
I go home and I'm removing makeup and suddenly my face is like tuk 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 like red dots everywhere.
Why?
And I don't know. I just
It's an Alibag, right?
Yeah, some
Burji.
allergic reaction to I don't know what I
I
ate.
had burji, Maggie, everything, nothing happened to me.
Yeah.
So the whole team is in my room literally, and they're looking at me and they're like, and though they can't say that because I look horrible right
No, it's
now.
not
So
that bad. I think
I
all
had
people look
that was
horrible.
after makeup and after 2
Oh,
days. I have ice all over my face.
Okay.
And so me and Emmy, we have like this intense scene going on, and I'm like trying to like concentrate. He looks at me, he's like, "What happened to your face?" I'm like,
Yeah, I didn't say a dialogue. I just said first thing like what happened to your
He's
face.
like, "What happened to your face?" I'm like, "Shut up, please." It was horrible.
This
The amount
actually
of
gives me
makeup
a-
I've done to make that redness go away is just another level.
So this is a segue to my next question, which is, लोग बोलते हैं ना, actors बोलते हैं कि you are as good as your co-star, you know, your co-actor, because you kind of feed off each other's energies.
Contractor बोला ऐसा.
बट ऐसी promotions पे बोलते हैं कि सच है.
200% for me.
Yeah.
हमने जो scenes किए यार, come
हाँ,
on.
it's all
कितने
about
हमने
the
improvise
actor
किया
gives
हमने.
you and you react. Yeah,
I
that's why
fully
Imran
agree.
is such a good actor. He's very giving in a scene. He loves, yeah.
I'm sure.
Where is this
Why?
This serious.
Let's answer the question, guys.
Going on out here. Okay, question.
Is it not
Yeah,
true?
yeah, we're being
Being left
rowdy,
out.
very
Being left out. Why?
Suddenly I'm feeling very We're being rowdy. I think people are
Because you didn't eat the burji.
I
You
didn't.
were
Oh my
eating-
God, my
Oh
burji is
God.
perfectly fine.
No, no, it is very good. By the way, I love the burji.
Yeah,
I
you're
love the
like,
burji.
Won't you have it?
अरे उसका
I
सवाल
want- I
भुर्जी का
want the
पूछा ही नहीं
recipe for the
है.
burji.
The guy is not here today.
I know you
I'll
want
send
to
it
give
to
it
you.
away, but
Of
it's
course.
okay. All right. Sorry, coming
Yeah,
back to
I
the
do.
question.
We were talking about burji and everything. The question was
unaware of.
that when you get a project, कौन है उस project में, वो matter करता है नहीं when you say yes.
Of
Do I
course.
like
Yes,
those
yes.
people or
Of
not?
course,
It
it has to
matters.
be
Yeah.
a wonderful experience working on the project. I mean, it's not like I haven't done projects where
Where
I've
you
probably
hated.
hated my co-actor. They weren't particularly good people.
Yeah.
And also the film, it's never proportionate to the experience that you had on the
Yeah,
film set.
yeah.
You could have had a wonderful time on the film set, but the film will turn out to be a big dud.
Yeah.
At the same time, it could have been the worst experience and something works, the magic works.
Yeah.
So there's that old saying thing, right? If you have the chemistry off screen, sometimes the chemistry doesn't show.
Yeah.
It kind of dies out. That
Yeah.
that tension
Yeah.
isn't there.
Yeah.
So you can't really quantify that. But as much as possible, you want a good, healthy working relationship on a film set.
अच्छा, क्या ज़्यादा मुश्किल है? To do those cold calls and ask for work, or to say no to something that you're being offered?
No is okay. Asking for work,
Work
is very
is difficult.
Yeah,
I
asking for
agree.
work definitely.
Yeah.
Yeah.
More than saying no.
Unanimous है. Unanimous. हम पांचों ने बोला हाँ.
Asking for work is
Asking.
very difficult. If you ask for it when in a party, they're like, "Oh, but this is so annoying, and why do people have to ask for work in a party?"
why
But
you-
they
So
don't
to
know.
hear
It's like,
that
"किधर
no-
पूछेंगे, bro?"
To hear that no is way more tougher to actually say no.
Yeah.
Also, this whole
Yeah, but that
process
happened
is
for
all
you.
Very
What?
You can say no the right way.
But also it requires a lot of courage to
the other one.
actually go up
Yeah,
and
that's
say.
what I
Yeah,
never
yeah,
know
yeah.
whether to
Your-
ask
Your
or
no
not.
That's very
didn't
courageous
go
of you
maaf
to
ho
do
पाई.
that.
That was-
माफ नहीं हुआ.
Like I could do it on a message. I could
Yeah,
probably do it on a
upfront-
message.
Upfront, I could
Yeah.
I
never.
probably couldn't go up to a person and say, listen, I really want to work with you. Probably, I don't have the courage to do that.
And
probably.
I
neither.
feel अब कितना I've started doing it now.
I did
You
that
know,
with one
कितना-
person, by the way. I went to Ramesh ji's office, Ramesh Sippy's office. मैंने कहा सर मैं शक्ति और शोले का बहुत बड़ा फैन हूँ मैं. शोले सॉरी शक्ति का ज़्यादा. तो आई सर कि सर शक्ति का बहुत बड़ा फैन हूँ. मैंने वेंट टू हिज ऑफिस. इसे बेटा मैंने कहा सर मेरी एक ही थी कि कभी इसे बिफोर यू हैंग योर बूट्स आई जस्ट हैव अ फीलिंग कि ना अच्छा होता अगर काम ओनली पर्सन
Yeah.
बेटा आई एम नॉट मेकिंग एनी प्रॉब्लम. वो हुआ ही नहीं कभी माँ.
Ah.
But you know, I envy people who can walk up to a director like, you know, like, and all confident and be like, आप कितना बोलना भी चाहेंगे कि you know मुझे आपके साथ काम करना है, कहीं ना कहीं you also don't want to come across कि अरे if you're being too clingy, too desperate, is this the right time? और तभी में time निकल जाता है, and then you're like, okay, probably I'll just
yeah. That's all.
By the time you make an eye contact, you walk next to them, and you're
trying to warm up.
Like,
no, gone. They left the party already.
And you're wearing this like, whatever you're dressed, you're trying to adjust, and you're trying to walk. Did you just walked away?
Yeah.
Like, array. So it's not that easy to go up and ask.
Okay. So हम जो बोलेंगे सच के सिवा कुछ नहीं बोलेंगे. कभी ऐसा हुआ है कि आपने किसी प्रोजेक्ट में बहुत सही काम किया है, you are happy with yourself, and finally when you see it, तो आपका पार्ट आधे से भी कम कट हो चुका होता है.
सच बताओ, मैंने तो हर फिल्म में कुछ भी काम किया है, सब में कटा है थोड़ा, बट वो हमेशा होता ही है एडिटेबल पे. Whatever is working for the film or the project.
But you feel bad as actors, you're angry.
I feel horrible.
No, I've realized that you shouldn't really hold on too much of the material, because as actors you feel that everything you do in that scene as far as dialogues, you're very greedy as an actor, and there's very selfish need to want that. But you have to understand the director sees the totality, right?
And he has
sometimes that scene or those dialogues that you have loved could be the problem in the film. Those few seconds or a minute could be a problem in making the film a hit or a flop. Sometimes it becomes very slow and drags. The scene's point is not got across. So it's the director's prerogative.
जब तक ऐसा है तब तक ठीक है. अगर आपको ये मालूम पड़ता है किसी ने कटवा दिया तो
Stories of people do that.
Very knowing laughter. So I don't know what to make of that.
You must have heard stories of people who kind of
we want to confirm.
Yeah, I mean we are from you guys. I don't know. We don't know anything. You guys tell us.
Very conveniently putting it on us. Okay. So tell me the one rumor that you would want to spread about yourself.
That I'm working with Karan Johar, Sanjay Leela Bhansali. Then I'm working with all the directors, and I don't have dates for like 5 years, and I don't know what to do with this. And
मेरा
spend time with Rama and how to go work. Oh my God! And then I've
I said
traveled
no
to
to
like so
Karan
many
Johar. I
countries.
said no to Sanjay Leela Bhansali. I said no to Rajkumar Hirani sir.
ये अपने कैरेक्टर में लगा है, ये कैरेक्टर से निकला नहीं है अभी.
I said I
ये
want
अपने
to.
कैरेक्टर में है, बाद में पता चलेगा ये कैरेक्टर और मैं अलग हूँ.
मैंने क्या बोला? मैं जब सुना क्या बोला मैंने?
क्या बोला आपने?
मैंने बोला कि मैं जो रूमर फैलाना चाहता हूँ वो ये है कि मैंने करण को ना किया, मैंने यशराज को मना किया, मैंने राजीव कुमार हिरानी को मना किया. That's the rumor I want to spread.
This you should carry this out of context.
Yeah.
Don't give the question. Just
हाँ,
start the interview like that.
और
उस टाइम पे कैरेक्टर
गारंटी कर रही हूँ ये करे ना करे.
और बताओ में कोई ना कोई सिर्फ उतना करके
तो मैं कहता हूँ मैंने मना किया करण जौहर को, मैंने मना किया यशराज को, मैंने मना किया संजय लीला बंसाली को. This you can't put it.
I've got my promo. Okay, there's no way I'm deleting
ये bro, मैं बना दिया इसके, ठीक है?
No rumors about
All of the above, I guess.
Okay.
All of the above.
क्या कि मना किया या बहुत
हाँ बोला.
मना किया, काम कर रहा हूँ, जो भी. Whatever you want.
Okay. क्योंकि ये शो भी हमें इंडस्ट्री को समझने में मदद करेगा और यहाँ राजीव खंडेलवाल है, तो सच का सामना is a segment that we are also going to play.
बताओ.
Just help us decode these phrases. Okay. When an actor says, "Well, I'm reading a lot of scripts at the moment. I can't."
I have no work right now.
है, काम से निकाल
work
दिया
right
है,
now.
भी दे रही है.
Maybe they are.
Okay, just humor her.
What do you mean?
No, I said you have to give a fun answer. You have to give a fun answer.
घंटा
to
काम
it.
नहीं है.
Can't- Mostly, that's what it would be.
Okay. I am a director's actor.
I do my
think
own
it's-
shit.
No, I feel for me it's.
I am also
It's true. I am
a
an
director.
Vanilla,
Yeah.
vanilla.
No, that's
Vanilla.
true. You can ask Mihir and Archit,
Make it tutti
my
frutti,
directors.
please.
I love it that I have Imran in my team here. Okay. I'm seeing nobody right now. When I do, I should tell the
That
world.
most people lie about.
Yeah.
I'm dating 3 people on the side.
Yeah.
I'm
I don't want to talk about that,
I'm
but
double
yeah,
dating
because I
or
wouldn't
I'm
know how
having
to, because then it gets
3-4
confusing.
affairs
I
at this
agree, I
present
agree.
moment.
Yeah.
Okay. अरे आप यहाँ कैसे? Actors
Oh
to
God.
हमने ही बुलाया था इनको.
I love it.
सुबह में PR का फोन कॉल चला
कहाँ
गया
थे
था
आप?
कहने के लिए कहाँ जा रहे हैं, किस रेस्टोरेंट में जा रहे हैं,
कितने
कभी
बजे
एयरपोर्ट
जा
जा
रहे
रहे हैं, कितने बजे जा रहे
No,
हैं.
but I'm very honest.
But
Like
just
I know my
say-
PR is sent. I have to say I'm so sorry. मैं आधा घंटा लेट हो गई. आप ठीक हो? ठीक है.
Okay.
इस बार मैं तो एक बार एयरपोर्ट जा रही थी सुबह 5 बजे. तो I'm like, अरे आप यहाँ कैसे? किसने बताया आपको? मैंने तो किसी को नहीं बताया. So I said that also. Yeah, but
I am friends with everyone in the industry.
Nobody says that.
Yeah, I
It's
don't
not
think anyone
possible.
says that.
It's not possible.
It's not possible?
No.
Okay, okay. I don't read reviews.
I'm probably lying. I read every single thing that's been
Every
written about
sentence,
me.
every word.
Yeah.
Some
Because
people
they're
don't, huh?
invested.
Yeah.
Some people,
Yeah,
I
yeah.
guess.
I mean, off late, I think there must be a lot of people who
Yeah,
won't
who
be
stop
reading.
reading reviews, definitely,
मैं
definitely.
नहीं पढ़ती ज़्यादा.
Okay.
बहुत
I
बहुत
think everybody
confused
has
आती
an
हूँ.
opinion.
Because also
everybody
there's an
has a
onslaught
point
right
of
now,
view.
so many reviews. How many do you keep
Yeah,
tabs on?
yeah.
I mean, 10
Also,
years back,
everybody has an opinion
10
and
years back there were only
everybody-
those 3, 4,
Yeah,
5
yeah,
tabloids or
yeah.
newspapers that carried
Everybody
the
has
reviews,
his own
but
reviews,
now
actually.
it's kind of dime a
I think I
dozen.
should
stress
stop
हो
reading
जाते
them,
हैं.
because most
Yeah.
of the time I'm feeling bad.
And most
I'm
of the
reading
time
them
the
and
reviews,
feeling
I'm
bad
not,
about
I'm not
them.
trying to be mean here, but most of the time the reviews just the whole story of the film.
Yeah.
So
yeah.
then I get
Which is
really
full of
You know what's
spoilers.
really misleading?
Stressed out.
You know the YouTubers who jumped on the bandwagon?
Yeah.
The clickbait on the video is like this film has sunk or it's crashed or the worst performance. When you click on it, it's something entirely different. They've actually
Yeah.
praised your film. But they
Clickbait.
want you to get into
Yeah.
it because they want to bash you.
Because they want that
That's how
headline.
people get into it. And
How are they going to use his headline
Yeah.
now? That's
Yeah.
just what it is.
Okay. People were crazy about your collab with Himesh Reshammiya. आप बड़े hit गाने दिए. Are we seeing, is
No,
anything
no, not presently.
in
No.
plans?
Not presently. No.
Thank you for your honesty. This was super fun.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Really good question.